Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So on the end of my 1/4 inch by 25 foot cable, what you see here is tree roots. I was rotting out a kitchen drain and I thought it was just grease. When I pulled the end of the cable out and I saw tree roots, I knew that we have a major problem. If you have roots growing down your pipes, even if you have a cutting head, in 6 months you're gonna have to deal with this all over again. Clay was very susceptible to roots because of the grout. When the ground would shift around, roots would find a crack and then just start growing down the pipe. It's not as bad with glue joints like ABS. Now, I've told the homeowner that in about 6 months they're probably going to have to deal with this issue again. But what we'll do now is we'll take a look at the kitchen sink, how it was piped by whoever did it. They obviously weren't a plumber. And then after we'll look at my fix to the drainage so it is serviceable and it'll actually work. So this is the original piping. There are 5 couplings. Between the T and the 90, you can see how it's back grading even though the tailpiece is missing. But the trap arm down below, it has no grade. There's no slope on it, and this is part of the problem for the grease buildup. When I tested this, it drained so bloody slowly. I don't know how the tenant was able to do anything. And one other thing to take note, the black hose for the dishwasher, it is sagging way down low, and they said they've had drainage problems with the dishwasher as well. So this is the original piping. What we're going to do now is look at my fix to this, but we're going to take a closer look at the trap arm first. Using an increment level, you can see that it's dead flat. There's also no clean out. It's not straight. It's just some amateur did this. There's a laundry on the other side that's also connected to this drain. But everything I see here, this isn't that old, and there's so many code violations that I'm not surprised that this doesn't work properly. So what we'll do now is look at my fix. So here's my fix. The trap arm has proper grade. There is a clean out. I moved the dishwasher drain to the left and I strapped it up for a proper high loop. Guys, check out my plumbing section for other videos where I go into more in detail. Here is the trap arm with grade. It's a little bit low because I was rotting through the clean out. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.